Greetings. I hope you're taking care of your family and you're in one health and strength. By the way, this is my personal capsule. I'm taking two, by the way. These are ginger, the native ginger of Jamaica, very strong. I feel a little tingle in my throat, so I'm gonna get rid of the virus there because I'm not catching any cold. Here goes. I'm here to talk to you about today herbal consultation. A lot of people see my herbs and they just want them. Then they are telling me your problems after. Listen why you should not skip the herbal consultation. When you go to the doctor, you have to see the doctor and first pay, right? Then the doctor writes your prescription and you go to the pharmacy. Because all diseases are man-made through foods and misguided information that they pass to you about the food industry. Therefore, guess what? No disease costs $0. Somebody texts in I just have to pay 7,000 Jamaican dollars just to talk to you. Of course, you should value yourself as well. It's not just talk to you. You see, if you don't credit knowledge and information, it will seem like it's nothing to you. You remember the book Think and Grow Rich with Napoleon Hill? When he talk about carrying out the rich man to dinner? Poor mindset and poverty mindset people cannot bring a rich man to dinner. You know why? You're looking that man is rich. And how the hell should I bring this man to dinner? But guess what? We're all rich, and sometimes the lack of knowledge make we are one idea away from rich. So I wouldn't buy a rich man a meal, but I'll buy him lunch, dinner, and go for the 3 courses so that I can get one idea to move to the next level. Saying all of that to say that the herbal consultation is necessary. For instance, you come buy Guinean weed in the capsule form from me, and guess what? You take it and you were pregnant and you have a miscarriage. Who you're gonna blame? You're gonna say that I am the one who have destroyed your child, right? This is why you should not skip it. My old time days people would say my grandmother and grandfather, shortcut, draw blood, peace and light, herbal consultation. Check out my website. It's down there pinned in the bottom. Knowledgeable, true virgin. I'm out. Information like these, please check out my new book, Earth. It's on Amazon. See ya. Check it out.